Introduce the newest sports cruiser motorbike, Ducati Diavel V4, 2023. The 2023 Ducati Diavel V4 carries a new engine with a more modern and powerful V4 configuration. Ducati Diavel V4, 2023. This is claimed to be highly anticipated by Ducati fans. This is due to carrying the 1.158cc V4 Gran Turismo engine derived from the Desmosedici Stradale V4 from the Panigale V4. The engine produces 168 horsepower and 126 Nm of torque at 7,500 revolutions per minute. The power from this engine is capable of driving the motorbike from 0 to 100 km per hour, or 62 miles per hour, in less than 3 seconds.